You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more valuable content like this. Looking for a business loan? LendingClub might be just what you need. This platform is a popular choice for small to medium-sized businesses, known for its streamlined application process and peer-to-peer lending model. Find links to LendingClub and related resources in the description below. LendingClub offers tailored financing options, making it a strong contender for entrepreneurs seeking competitive interest rates and flexible terms. One key feature is their term loans, which offer funding from $5,000 all the way up to $500,000. These loans cater to a variety of business needs, whether it's working capital, consolidating debt, or fueling growth initiatives. Repayment terms are adaptable, ranging from 1 to 5 years, allowing businesses to select a schedule that aligns with their cash flow projections. Borrowers with a solid credit history and healthy financials can often secure highly competitive interest rates. Applying for a loan through LendingClub is designed to be quick and efficient. The online application takes just minutes to complete, and pre-qualification won't impact your credit score. LendingClub thoroughly assesses your business's financial health and creditworthiness, typically providing a decision within 24 hours. Once approved, funds are usually disbursed within a few business days, offering a speedy solution for businesses needing rapid access to capital. Transparency is a hallmark of LendingClub's operations. The platform clearly outlines loan terms, interest rates, and any associated fees up front. There are no hidden surprises. Borrowers have the opportunity to thoroughly review all the details before committing to a loan, a crucial factor for small businesses operating with tight budgets. While LendingClub offers many advantages, it's important to understand their eligibility criteria. Generally, borrowers need to have been in business for at least 12 months, generate $50,000 in annual revenue, and maintain a personal credit score of 600 or higher. While these requirements are standard for many lenders, startups or businesses with lower revenue streams may need to consider alternative financing options. LendingClub also provides a flexible repayment structure. Fixed monthly payments simplify budgeting, and the absence of prepayment penalties allows businesses to save on interest by paying off their loans early. In summary, LendingClub presents an attractive financing option for business owners who prioritize quick, transparent funding with competitive rates and adaptable repayment terms. It's especially well suited for established small businesses with steady revenue and good to excellent credit. Follow the links in the description to explore LendingClub's offerings and determine if they align with your specific financing requirements. This review aims to empower you to decide if LendingClub is the right partner for achieving your business objectives.